Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you submit a medical or insurance claim? Let's take a look at adjudication. In the world of finance and insurance, adjudication is the formal process of reviewing and settling a claim. Every single claim goes through this filter to ensure it matches the specific terms of your policy. The system checks your personal coverage, valid billing codes, and policy limits to determine if the claim is valid. It is important to remember that adjudication is the judgment phase, not the payment phase. The money only moves after the review is complete. Most claims are approved, but some may be denied due to missing information, which often triggers an appeals process. Always read your explanation of benefits. It explains exactly why a claim was paid, denied, or held for more information. Understanding these background processes helps you manage your finances with confidence. Thanks for watching and stay informed.